What do software engineers and fashion photographers have in common? They both treat models like objects. If you're learning how to code, you've probably heard the term object-oriented programming. This is a vague and confusing term for a lot of people, especially the first time they hear it. There's a pen. There's a shoe. They're both objects. Am I a programmer? Actually, kinda. Both our pen and our shoe are built for specific purposes, and we use them in specific ways. When I write my name with the pen, I know exactly how to hold it and which end the ink comes from. Similarly, we want to write code in reusable chunks that have specific use cases and ways to use them. On a web app, I may have different buttons for submitting an email, filling out a form, or navigating to a new page. These buttons may have different behaviors, but I interface with them in the same way, by clicking on them. Some objects, though, may have small differences, even if we use them generally in the same way. For example, I'll wear my Chuck Taylors if I'm hanging around with friends, but I'll wear my Cole Haan lifts if I need to convince my hinge date I'm over 6 foot. These differences between objects is known as an inheritance pattern. Both of my shoes inherit from the same footwear class, even though they are different instances of footwear. Just like our buttons, they may have different use cases, they may be different instances of the same button class. So there you have it. You officially know more about programming than Steve Jobs. Happy coding. Hey, we're Soyboy Coders. Don't forget to like and subscribe, you cuck.
What's a bit of religion anyway? Welcome to Libs are due as welcome.